So hi guys, I'm Nabil Architect and I'm back with another amazing video. So in this video we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel, how to count cells with text. So we are here in Microsoft Excel and I add some text and number here like this. So as you can see the number here like this and text also here. If you want to count cells from this text, you simply type is equals to and count type count bracket open, select this all and bracket close, press enter. As you can see the 8 is 8 cells in text 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So as you can see the 8 cells in text here. So how this is how you can count the cells with text. So keep supporting, subscribe my channel.